the early days, they made everything metal that was in the house. They would make the nails that you built the house with, and they would make the hammer that you pounded those nails in with. So they were a vital part of any village. I'm George Baldwin. I'm one of the blacksmiths here at the Pinecrest Historical Village. This is an actual working blacksmith shop. We make things here on a routine basis. It is a shop where you can come and actually see things made, participate in making things. We do classes and instruction in blacksmithing here at the Historical Village. This is an important place also in that we support the village itself by what we do. We like to expand the concepts that people have in real history to enable them to understand history as it really happened.